This is the Camp Chef Explorer, one of our original Camp Chef powerhouses and a huge reason that we became known for our professional grade outdoor cooking. This stove has over 9,000 5-star reviews, and once you cook on it, you'll understand why. Let's break it down into 3 things that matter most when you're cooking outside: capability, portability, and how everything can work together. First, let's talk about capability. The Explorer is built to cook real meals, not just your normal camp meals. You've got 2 30,000 BTU burners, so you get fast boils, strong sears, and the kind of heat that actually keeps up when you're cooking for a group. But what makes us feel pro is not just the power, it's also the control. It's the adjustable flame dials that let you go from a high heat and a hard sear down to a steady simmer when you're working with a sauce, chili, or breakfast gravy. That range is what keeps the menu open. You're not stuck making the same basic stuff because your stove can't handle the steps in a real recipe. And capability also means staying steady when conditions aren't that perfect. The Explorer's wind guard helps block gusts and protect your flame, and those powerful burners do the rest. When the wind kicks up, you're not constantly chasing heat or restarting your rhythm. You keep cooking, and your timing stays on track. Second, let's talk about portability. This is freedom. This is the Explorer that travels as easily as your plans. It's built to pack in, set up fast, and cook wherever you land. The removable legs make it easy to bring along, and the sturdy frame gives you a stable cooking base when you're actually moving pans, stirring, flipping, cooking like you would at home. Wherever the trip takes you, you're ready, with a dependable setup that shows up meal after meal after meal. Third, let's talk about how it all works together. This is where the Explorer goes from a great stove to a setup you can actually grow with. The Explorer is compatible with our 14-inch accessory system, which means one base can become multiple ways to cook. Add a griddle for big breakfasts and smash burgers. Add a barbecue box when you want to grill hot dogs. Add a pizza oven when you want to go big for the entire crew. You're not buying a different stove for every single craving. You're building a cook system that stays streamlined while your menu gets bigger. Swap the cook style without swapping the whole entire setup. So that's the Explorer. You get big capability when you need performance, real portability that gives you true freedom, and a system that expands with you over time. It's been a trusted stove for decades, for a reason, and it still earns a place because it just works. Cook without limits and keep your menu open outside. If you're ready to build your setup and cook real meals wherever you camp, you gotta start here with the Camp Chef Explorer.